Are you ready to transform your sleep? Let's explore how sleep recording apps can unlock restful nights. Technology is changing how we understand sleep. These apps analyze sounds while you sleep for insights that can improve your health. Imagine knowing exactly what disrupts your sleep. High-fidelity audio capture records noise details. Smart algorithms distinguish snoring, breathing patterns, and environmental sounds. This comprehensive sound analysis helps personalize your sleep routine. Using my experiences with sleep recording apps, I found actionable insights about my sleep patterns. For example, my snoring increased during REM sleep. Adjusting my sleeping position improved my rest significantly. Why is understanding sleep so important? Adenosine builds up during the day, helping us sleep deeply at night. In contrast, cortisol, the stress hormone, can disrupt our sleep cycles. By monitoring these factors with sleep apps, we can identify issues effectively. Let's dive into the essential features of the best sleep recording apps. Look for accuracy in sound detection, user-friendly interfaces, and comprehensive reports. Integration with wearables offers insights into overall health. Also, prioritize apps with robust data privacy measures. For my personal 30-day experiment, I used a leading app to track my sleep. Each week provided deeper insights. By altering my environment based on app suggestions, I significantly improved my sleep quality. Consider the following steps to optimize your sleep. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Create a quiet sleep environment. Optimize room conditions for temperature and darkness. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your nightly routine. Real-life examples amplify the effectiveness of these apps. Snore Lab helped me track snoring patterns, while Sleep Cycle improved my morning energy levels. Features like smart alarms wake you during light sleep phases, ensuring you feel refreshed. Are you asking if sleep recording apps really work? Yes, studies support their benefits. Data collected can reveal signs of sleep apnea. Understanding how factors like adenosine and cortisol affect sleep quality is essential. To maximize your experience, set up your app correctly. Be mindful of its features and integrations with other health tools. Analyze how exercise and diet influence your sleep, creating a comprehensive understanding of your well-being. Ultimately, integrating sleep tracking into your health routine is vital. Interested in improving your sleep? Start exploring these apps today. Take control of your sleep for better health and vitality. Unlock your potential, embrace technology for restful nights.